Did you know that a simple cup of tea could help cleanse your arteries and lower your blood sugar? These 5 powerful teas have been scientifically proven to support your heart health and balance glucose levels. If you're looking for an easy way to boost your health, you won't want to miss this. Tea has been enjoyed for centuries, not just for its soothing taste, but for its incredible health benefits. From cleansing your arteries to lowering your blood sugar, certain teas offer powerful natural solutions for improving your well-being. In today's video, we're diving into the 5 best teas that can help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels and support your cardiovascular health. Whether you're dealing with high cholesterol, diabetes, or just want to protect your heart, these teas are simple yet effective additions to your daily routine. Let's get started with our first tea, green tea. 1. Green tea. First on our list is green tea, one of the most well-known teas for its impressive health benefits. Packed with powerful antioxidants like catechins, particularly epigallocatechin, galate, EGCG. Green tea has been extensively studied for its ability to improve arterial health and regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in green tea protect the endothelial cells, the lining of your arteries, from oxidative damage, helping to reduce inflammation and prevent the buildup of plaque that can clog your arteries. This is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and overall heart health. When it comes to blood sugar, research indicates that green tea can increase insulin sensitivity and help slow the release of glucose into the bloodstream after meals. By doing this, it prevents blood sugar spikes and supports more balanced glucose levels, which is especially helpful for people with diabetes or those at risk. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to support both your cardiovascular system and blood sugar levels. 2. Turmeric tea. Next up is turmeric tea, known for its vibrant color and powerful health benefits. This herbal tea is made from the root of the Curcuma longae plant, which contains the potent compound curcumin. Curcumin has been widely studied for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it an excellent tea for cleansing arteries and improving blood sugar levels. Research shows that curcumin can reduce inflammatory markers linked to atherosclerosis, a condition where plaque builds up in the arteries, leading to cardiovascular issues. By neutralizing free radicals and lowering oxidative stress, turmeric tea helps protect your arteries and keeps them healthy. Turmeric tea also benefits those with high blood sugar. Studies have found that curcumin can improve insulin sensitivity and enhance beta cell function in the pancreas, which helps regulate insulin production. This can aid in better glucose control, making turmeric tea a great option for those managing diabetes or trying to prevent it. Enjoying a warm cup of turmeric tea daily is a powerful way to boost your heart health and maintain stable blood sugar levels. 3. Ginseng tea. Third on our list is ginseng tea, a herbal tea that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Ginseng, whether it's the Korean or American variety, is packed with compounds called ginsenosides, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Research published in the Journal of Ginseng Research has found that ginseng can enhance endothelial function, helping to keep your arteries clear and flexible. This improves blood flow and reduces the risk of atherosclerosis, the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Ginseng's ability to lower LDL cholesterol and triglycerides also makes it a great choice for heart health. When it comes to blood sugar, ginseng tea shines by improving insulin sensitivity and stimulating glucose uptake in muscle cells. Studies have shown that ginseng helps regulate blood sugar levels, especially after meals, and protects pancreatic beta cells from oxidative stress, which is critical for people managing diabetes. Adding ginseng tea to your diet can help cleanse your arteries, lower bad cholesterol, and support healthy blood sugar levels. 4. Black tea. Next on our list is black tea, another tea derived from the Camellia sinensis plant, but it's stronger in flavor and richer in caffeine compared to green tea. Black tea is loaded with beneficial compounds called theaflavins and theorubicins, which have been shown to provide cardiovascular benefits by reducing oxidative stress and improving artery function. Studies have found that black tea can help relax blood vessels and reduce blood pressure by protecting the endothelial cells that line the arteries. One study published in the Archives of Internal Medicine revealed that daily black tea consumption led to significant decreases in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making it a great option for those looking to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Black tea is also helpful in managing blood sugar levels. Research published in Diabetes and Metabolism showed that black tea improves insulin sensitivity and helps regulate glucose absorption after meals, reducing the risk of blood sugar spikes. This makes it a fantastic choice for people at risk of type 2 diabetes or those trying to control their glucose levels. Enjoying a cup of black tea regularly can help protect your arteries, reduce blood pressure, and support balanced blood sugar. 5. Chamomile tea. Last but not least is chamomile tea, a herbal tea known for its calming effects, but it also offers powerful benefits for your arteries and blood sugar. Chamomile is rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and terpenoids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against arterial plaque buildup. Studies have found that regular consumption of chamomile tea can help lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making it a great option for heart health. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that drinking chamomile tea daily may improve cholesterol levels by lowering LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while also boosting HDL cholesterol, the good kind that protects your arteries. Chamomile tea also helps with blood sugar control. The specific antioxidants quercetin and apigenin found in chamomile have been shown to lower fasting blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. A study published in the Journal of Endocrine Regulations revealed that type 2 diabetic participants who consumed chamomile tea daily saw significant improvements in their insulin function and blood sugar levels. Incorporating chamomile tea into your routine not only promotes relaxation, but also helps support heart health and stable glucose levels. Conclusion. These 5 teas, green tea, turmeric tea, ginseng tea, black tea, and chamomile tea, are powerful natural remedies for improving your heart health and balancing blood sugar levels. Whether you're dealing with high cholesterol, diabetes, or simply want to protect your arteries from damage, adding these teas to your daily routine can make a significant difference. From fighting inflammation to increasing insulin sensitivity, these teas offer a simple, enjoyable way to support your overall well-being. Which of these teas will you try first? Let us know in the comments below.